Welcome back to the next topic, students. By halogen exchanger, preparing alkyl halides or X with a sodium iodide concentrated solution to be taken. The medium is a acetone. Acetone is taken with the solvent or X plus NaX. NaX will be go off, so we will getting a Ri alkyl iodide. We are getting that is Ri alkyl iodide. Especially the name is Finkelstein reaction. Finkelstein reaction. In Finkelstein reaction, iodoalkanes can be prepared is the best method of CH3, CH2Br with the sodium iodide in presence of acetone. CH2, CH2Cl in presence of NaI. Acetone is heated. They're exchanging that halogens. Here, chlorine is, bromine come to the position of iodine. Iodine come to the position of bromine. Chlorine come to the position of iodine. Iodine come to the position of chlorine. So that is called halogen exchange. So in this CH3, CH2I, CH3, CH2I, byproducts are sodium bromide and sodium chloride. So not used in CRT, they will ask you, in CRT question, sodium chloride and sodium bromide. Being less soluble in acetone, it get precipitated from the solution, so it can be precipitated. So what it does, backward reaction is takes place and according to the Le-Chatelier principle. So what sodium chloride and sodium bromide cannot be used in the place of sodium iodide, and sodium iodide alone is the using for this process to getting a very good yield of alkyl halides. Then Schwarz reaction for a alkyl fluoride reaction. So Groves reaction for a alkyl chloride and Phillingston reaction for alkyl iodide, and the Schwarz reaction for a alkyl fluoride. Fluoroalkanes are very difficult to prepare direct methods. So in this, by treating the alkyl halides, alkyl chloride or alkyl bromide with the salt of mercurous halides of Hg2 F2 and a silver fluoride AgF or antimony trifluoride or SbF3. These are the salt to be used with this. So what that is called a Schwarz reaction. For example, CH3Br. Alkyl chloride or alkyl bromide with the AgF. So AgBr will be released. We will get a CH3F. So this is called Schwarz reaction in order to prepare fluoromethane or a methyl fluoride. Preparation of alkyl halides from silver salt of acids. So silver salt of acids or a carboxylic acid dissolved in a solvent of carbon tetrachloride and decomposed by bromine to give bromoalkanes. That is called Borodin-Ansdiker equation or simply Ansdiker equation. So in this silver salt of carboxylic acid, ester of silver to be taken in a medium of carbon tetrachloride easily decomposed to the bromine to form a bromoalkane according to free radical mechanism. Ester. This is called acetate. CH3COO group is called acetate and silver. So silver acetate with the bromine gives Br minus and Br plus. So combined with this HBr, water. CO2 will be released and AgBr will be released and bromine will be attached to this CH3. So CH3Br, CO2 plus AgBr. So for Ansdiker reaction is preparation of alkyl bromide. So yield of halide is a primary is greater than secondary is greater than tertiary, and bromide is used generally. Chloroalkanes can also be obtained by this using chlorine instead of bromine, but yield is very poor yield. So maximum yield is really getting only in a bromine. So iodoalkanes cannot be obtained by this because esters can be formed instead of iodoalkanes. For example, here we can use a chlorine and bromine. Here we can use chlorine and bromine. We can use chlorine, but we'll get a very poor yield. We will get a chlorine is the very best thing. We are getting a maximum yield can be obtained in this. So here this is because the leaving group I told you iodine is the better leaving and bromine is better leaving than chlorine and fluorine. So here iodine we are using the CCl4, we will get a ester. We never get a alkyl iodide like this. We will get a ester like this. So water CH3, CO, two molecules supposed to be taken. So we are getting CH3, COO, CH3. So one thing is carbon dioxide and another thing is a silver iodide. We will get it. So this is called Birnbaum-Simony reaction. Birnbaum-Simony reaction. So that is called the Hunsdiker reaction. Iodoalkanes cannot be prepared. Only we can prepare a bromoalkanes only can be prepared. Chloromethane also can be prepared, but it is in a very poor yield. So what a bromomethane is a maximum yield we can get it in a Hunsdiker equation. So in Hunsdiker equation, bromoalkanes can be prepared, iodoalkanes cannot be prepared. In sum up reaction, I have given all the four I have given. I mean, thionyl chloride, pyridine is a base catalyst. By using, we are getting alkyl chloride, and Finkelstein reaction, alkyl iodide, Schwarz reaction, alkyl fluoride, and Sticker reaction, alkyl bromide. So chlorine, iodine, fluorine, and bromine, all the four naming reactions with the alcohol, with the alkyl halides, with the silver salt of carboxylic acids. Thanks for watching, students.